Hello everyone, my name is Li Jian. In point of Tevigora, I will talk the next 10 minutes to discuss the four key economic forces that influence the development of business. The macroeconomic cycle, global practitioners, behaviors, economic trap, and the reshaping of the working force by the AI revolution. Specifically how they affect the business and the decision-making of a global commodity trading company and like Trafigura. First, we need to look at three major indicators. GDP is a measure of a nation overall economic production. As GDP grows, demand for trade the high. When it declines, the market is usually contracting. CPI, the rate of increases in price. High inflation increases costs and low inflation can indicate insufficient demand. Unemployment rate is serves as a reflection of the well-being of the labor market. As unemployment increases, consumption decreases, ultimately influencing the demand for goods. The four phases of the business cycle mainly below the following four elements of GDP. The inflation rate and the employment rate are important supporting indicators. When the cycle is at its peak, inflation rises faster. High unemployment of signals the start of a resurgence. Moderate inflation and falling unemployment suggest that the economy is recovering. I will investigate the effect of U.S. tariffs on our export business according to the split demand model. Suppose that the U.S. imposes a tariff on metal products exported by Singapore. Tariffs raise the price of exports, so Singapore companies have to raise their selling price. As prices rise, American consumers buy fewer goods. As a businessman, Trafigura could face shocking orders and shocking profits. The specific impact on Trafigura, the company need to search for a new expensive and high cost as part of cost procedure requirements. Market sheet had predicted to effect a decrease in U.S. export option together with market interest into Southeast Asia or Europe. Extended trade war situation would create instability for worldwide supply chain systems. Suggestions for countermeasures. Companies should support their procurement and sell market across different areas to decrease their dependence. The company should work with customers those negotiation to distribute trade for regulate expenses. The industry association must advance using reason to establish logic trade policies rules. Meaningful policy communication. We will examine the behavior of hamburger selection through the behavioral economic analysis. Because people continue to choose hamburger even though they understand salad are hand sale. In traditional economic, those people display complaints, regulation when it's missing cost and defense behaviors, economic demonstrations three fundamental points regarding human nature. First, presented by Emilio Pasha, research 虽谈 more vital in brain evolution than future before due. A majority of 19% people choose immediate gratification according to experiments that establish a 20% threshold for the discount rate used to evaluate future benefits. Second, default effects. Those cavity default setting of healthy male the selection rate increases by 47%. The choice of making first future the Donald with mail purchase driver McDonald review up by 500% compared to single orders. Third, from effect, people upset information about them made content much more factually compared to fact content information. People choose doctor and nurse recommendation more frequently for health promotion than low cholesterol. Traditional economic explanation distinct approaches regarding truth and human presence along with environmental elements. The standard economic principle present limited human relationship rules out all centration. Behavioral economic acknowledges cognitive limitation. In economic, those based on traditional methodology nearly extended environment factor in their investigation. The current situation needs to be clarified as AI technology enhances the workflow of material business answers. From the perspective of negative impact, certain repetitive work assignments face repayment risk because data entry and basic customer service test fall under these categories. The scale requirement will prove much higher after their transformation take place. Job seekers without detailed capabilities will have trouble searching employment. During the short term, the problem of income inequality will expand because turning to works will resource high salaries than other explains. Companies should admit their trade execution jobs will standardization prediction will grow more views. But the positive side is also worth focusing on. First, AI will create a larger number of new jobs. Second, AI tools can improve work efficiency and reduce work intensity. What's mean for Telegram? The Singapore team can use AI to work more effectively while emerging market. I think we need to face this changing in the next 5 years, and I think the three main things are job change, skill requirement, and care action. First, keep on open learning meeting and take the initiative to understand the development of AI technology. Second, actively participate in general scale training organization by the company. Those activities expand new model of human-machine collaboration at work. Please note the following four recent points that follow. 1. GDP, CPI, and with employment rate during the business cycle. 2. A fair-based network should be implemented to handle trade risk. So the arrangement of product displays must to be optimized because it affects consumer conversion rates. For the implementation of AI quality, 20% of all presentation to changing their structure while profession need new skill set for this presentation. Thank you everyone.